This is Mariah Hackworth, and today I'll be walking you through an application called Desmos, which is basically like an online calculator. I found this site or application very useful because not only am I going to be a future teacher, but there's also a lot of benefits to having something like this because this site is completely free. You can sign up and for no cost, but the price of graphing calculators now is around $90, and this could really save students a lot of money. And I'm just gonna give you a quick walkthrough, but yeah, so there's a lot that you can do with this site. To get started, they give you a bunch of different tours, but overall, this is mostly just the graphing part of the calculator. It doesn't have a lot of the normal features that a regular calculator would have, so you'd probably need that with this graphing calculator. But this can do basically anything that you'd want to do with a normal graphing calculator. You can type in expressions, so you could do like y equals x or something like that. But what's really cool about this product or app is that you can do what's called sliders. So you put in this equation for y equals mx plus b, but then you can change the slope of it and you can change the intercept of it, which is super cool and hands-on, which will be very good for a learning atmosphere for your children. But not only that, you can add notes to different things. You can add tables, you can add folders, so basically put a group of functions all together in one where you can store them all in the same place. You can add images to your graphs, and with this they have already a whole bunch of different functions or different kinds of functions for you to begin with. So if I want to do something in point slope form, it'll just say, do you want to open the graph? And then I do, and it has everything there for you, the equation. It has all these different sliders, and you can put restrictions on your graph. So if you only want it in the first quadrant, you can easily do that. This site is just very useful, very hands-on, and it'll be a great way for your children to learn in a very cheap way.